Hello, welcome to this video on Adobe Creative Cloud Storage. If you're in the field of design, media, marketing, or photography, chances are you're already familiar with Adobe's suite of products, including Photoshop for photo editing, InDesign for layout design, Illustrator for digital drawing, and Premiere Pro for video editing. But buying all these programs can be quite expensive, right? That's where Adobe Creative Cloud comes in. It's a platform that provides all of Adobe's programs in one place, available through a subscription service that's more affordable than buying each program individually. With Adobe Creative Cloud, you can subscribe to the entire suite of Adobe products or just the ones you need. The cost will depend on how many applications you want to use, but it will always be cheaper than buying individual licenses for each application. Adobe Creative Cloud provides access to more than 20 applications. For individual users, Adobe offers 3 subscription plans. The All Apps plan, which includes Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Audition, XD, Dreamweaver, and Acrobat DC. The cost for this plan is $54.99 per month. The Photography plan, which includes Photoshop, Lightroom, and Lightroom Classic. The cost for this plan is $19.99 per month. The Single App plan, which allows you to subscribe to one application of your choice. Prices for this plan range from $19.99 to $49.99 per month, depending on the application. With the All Apps plan, you'll have access to Adobe's latest applications, such as Adobe Fonts, Adobe Portfolio, Adobe Premiere Rush, Adobe XD, and Adobe Spark. You'll also have access to sites for creatives, like Behance and Story Plus, and up to 100 GB of cloud storage. Adobe Creative Cloud is the best solution for graphic designers, and other creative professionals who need access to a variety of software. Choosing the right software for your needs will save you the hassle of using pirated or trial versions, that expire after a month or a week. With Adobe Creative Cloud, you have the flexibility to use all of Adobe's applications at an affordable cost. Adobe Creative Cloud offers a variety of tutorials, to help you learn how to use its applications more effectively. Use these tutorials to improve your skills and complete projects more quickly and efficiently. Join the community. Join the Adobe Creative Cloud community to ask and discuss with other users, get advice and support, and discover useful resources. You can also sync your data with other users online, making it easy to share your work with clients and colleagues. And with features like real-time reviews and font identification in Adobe Photoshop CC, you'll have all the tools you need to get your work done efficiently. Adobe Creative Cloud is the game changer for creatives. Choose a subscription plan that's right for you and start creating today. So whether you're a graphic designer, photographer, videographer, or just someone who loves to create, Adobe Creative Cloud Storage is the perfect solution for you. Thanks for watching this video on Adobe Creative Cloud Storage. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.